What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in at the headquarters right now. Just got through doing some modifications. Got my platform done. Got to put the screws in it. Cut these down to two 10-footers and two 8-footers, and did my handrails for the platform. Had to do some modifications on my staircase. It actually needed to go down about 2 inches, inch and a half, 2 inches. So I fixed that. And it was easy for me to do it now that I took it down than it was me trying to do it while I was up there. It just made it easier. So I did that modifications today. And I just been trying to get things done. Our goal is to actually have the cafe up for display by the end of the month. So I'm trying to do the things I can to get things done. You know, killing several birds with one stone. But it's coming on along. Just wanted to give y'all a small update. The shipping container conversion is on its way. And I'm doing everything to make sure it's lined out properly. Hold on.